Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Come join us. For help with
pronunciation, intonation, fluency, accent production and more.
EasyNativeEnglish.com. Grammar Basics. Today we're going to find out what is a common noun, a determiner, an article, and a noun phrase. Grammar Basics. What is a common noun? There are many types of noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, quality, action, or idea. Let's have a look at some of these. Person. Here we have the name of people or the types of people. So, for example, we have the names Sue, Sam, Anne, Mrs. Jones, or we have the types of people. A girl, child, boy, man, teacher, doctor. Nouns are also places. These are either names of places or actual places. So, for example, we can have London, China, Moscow, Europe, or a restaurant, school, home, city, sea, or a kitchen. A noun can also be a thing. For example, a gift, a bag, a pen, a car, a dog, flower, a table, floor, an illness, or a phone. Nouns can also be qualities. So, for example, the size of something, fear, length, colour, taste, texture, intelligence, brightness, shape, or weight. It can also be an action, a cheer, a smile, a gesture, a loss, an exchange, a holiday, celebration, party, song, or a run. It can also be an idea, beauty, justice, democracy, friendship, suitability, ability, skill, loyalty, ideology, or a philosophy. Here are some common nouns. Common nouns are people, places, objects, and things. For example, a policeman, a castle, a watch, a tree. They are not names of things, they are actual things, usually things that you can touch. So anything that can be touched is a common noun. Grammar Basics. What is a determiner? Determiners are little words that give us some information. Meet Mr. Determiner. He is in charge of all the determiners. Types of determiners. Here are different types of determiners. Articles are a type of determiner. They contain the words a, an, and the. Numbers are also determiners. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Demonstratives are determiners. These include this, that, these, and those. Quantifiers are also determiners, such as a few, another, several, lots of, any, some, much, very, and many. Possessives are a type of determiner. My, your, its, his, hers, our, their, whose. Or ordinals, such as first, second, third, fourth, and so on. We already know articles are a type of determiner. They include the words a, an, and the. Mr. Determiner had too many determiners to look after, so he asked his older brother, Mr. Article, to look after the articles. Let's see a or an. Let's look at when we would use a or an. The reason we use a in front of a noun or an adjective that is describing a noun is if it doesn't start with a vowel. So, for example, a dog, a ball, a book, a cute kitten, a bad accident. The words next to A do not start with a vowel. A vowel includes the letters A, E, I, O and U. None of these words start with A, E, I, O or U, so we use A in front of the noun or the adjective. But when the noun starts with a vowel, such as apple, umbrella, ice lolly, open, evil, then we need to use the word an. An apple, an umbrella, an ice lolly, an open door, an evil witch. So we use A when the noun or adjective does not start with a vowel, and we use the word an in front of a noun or adjective if the word does start with a vowel. Non-specific and specific articles. Let's have a look at when we would use a or an and when we would use the. We use a or an when we're talking about non-specific things, so things in general. So for example, if I was talking about any sweet, I could say, let's pick a sweet. Any sweet, it doesn't really matter. Then I would use the word a. If I'm talking about a non-specific noun, such as an orange, this time because orange starts with a vowel, I use the an. But again, I'm talking about a non-specific orange. It's any orange. An orange is a fruit. Any orange is a fruit. I'm not talking about any particular orange. It's any orange. Now, when I talk about a specific sweet or a specific orange, a particular one that's on a table or in a bowl, then I have to use the word the. Pick the sweet. The pink one. Pick this one. I'm talking about pink sweet, not the orange one or the red one, but a pink one. So I'm talking about a specific sweet, so I would use the word the. The orange is cut into slices. Only this orange is cut into slices, not a different orange, only this one. Because I'm talking about a specific orange, I use the word the. Articles. Articles, like other determiners, go in the front of nouns or adjectives to make noun phrases. Here are the articles again. A dog, a ball, a cute kitten, a bad accident. An umbrella, an ice lolly, an open door, an evil witch. The horse, the door, the terrible storm, the enormous elephant. Let's have a look at these in a bit more detail. We can see that when we use the article a, it can either go in front of a noun or an adjective. The nouns are in red: dog, ball, kitten, accident. And the light green adjectives, such as cute and bad. So a can go in front of an adjective or in front of the noun, because the adjective is also attached to the noun. We use the word an when the noun starts with a vowel. Umbrella starts with a U, which is a vowel. Ice lolly starts with an I, which is also a vowel. But when we go down to the adjective open starts with a vowel too, so we again use an, even though the noun doesn't start with a vowel. Evil also starts with a vowel, E, so we use the word an in front of evil, even though witch does not start with a vowel. Let's have a look at the article the. The horse, the door, the terrible storm, the enormous elephant. We can see that we can put the in front of a noun or an adjective. But when the adjective starts with a vowel, or even the noun starts with a vowel, it makes no difference. We can still use the. The horse, the door, the terrible storm, the enormous elephant. We can use the for all of them. whether they start with a vowel or not. Grammar basics. What is a noun phrase? In a sentence, a noun needs a partner. Just like Miss Noun is married to Mr. Article, Mr. Article and Miss Noun. Together, Mr. Article and Miss Noun are called Mr. and Mrs. Noun phrase. Here are some noun phrases. Article, add a noun, makes a noun phrase. An apple, the ball, a dog. Miss Noun's twin sister is married to Mr. Determiner, Mr. Determiner and Miss Noun. Together, Mr. Determiner and Miss Noun are also called Mr. and Mrs. Noun phrase. Mr. and Mrs. Noun phrase. Determiner plus noun. Some oranges, 2 cats. First prize. So noun phrases contain different types of determiners, which include articles and nouns. Lots of sweets, some children, the big book, 5 naughty monkeys, an elephant, last chance, a horse. Let's see the determiners and the articles separated. Lots of sweets, some children, last chance, 5 naughty monkeys. These all start with determiners. Articles. The big book, a horse, an elephant. These all start with articles. As you can see, nouns are not used alone. They are used with determiners, articles, or other adjectives. Therefore, you shouldn't use nouns alone. They usually go with a partner. So when you write your sentence or speak using nouns, remember to use determiners, articles, or adjectives with them. If this video helped you, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification to make sure you don't miss any episodes. Also, tell us in the comment section below if there are any other videos you'd like us to make. Thanks, bye!